Hey, Cushman here. We like to be the kings of DIY, and especially when it comes to major medical things, things if you can do something yourself and save a few bucks. One of them, I wear a top denture here, just on the top, and they do have relines and lining in them that's soft, and as it wears down, your denture goes up, your lip disappears, and you can't eat right, and you don't see teeth anymore, right? So what we're going to do is I found out it would have been $500 at the dentist without dental insurance. I have dental. Even with that, the copay on that particular procedure is $200. So we're here to save $200. Cost us $8 for a kit that we came across, and I'm going to attempt to do the soft reline myself. Now, I'm no expert here. This is my first attempt. This is the Reline It kit here. And what I did is I took out my old liner that was in there, scraped it, cleaned it really well. I just used toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, and then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and get rid of any old primer residue or anything like that, or just, clean it up, make it nice and clean. Rubbing alcohol is always a good one to clean a surface. Anybody who's painted anything pretty much knows. I mean, rubbing alcohol takes off fingerprints, residues, helps glue sit. So we'll flash forward to when we're pouring it next. We'll give it a shot. First time soft reline attempt from a rookie. Okay, got it all cleaned up. We're gonna pull the stuff out of the freezer. I guess according to the directions, you had to pull these two mixing packets out of the freezer. And to get your little gadget, tear them up, mix them together. And there's the powder. Scissors here, cut that off. Go ahead and dump, I guess, this liquid. Get all that stuff out of there. I might say recommend kind of that is some nasty stuff apparently. Smells like nail polish, and I can tell you, experiencing it right now, it does smell like nail polish. Lots of women around me growing up and sisters and moms, so smelled that before. Just gonna do what they say and just kind of mix it in. That's what it looks like. Never done this before, so. Oh, okay. Goes to your, that's where they get the little skin colored stuff. Cool. So we have no idea of this. I just know that the dentist wanted, without dental insurance, it was going to be like $489. And then I had one done before, and it was $200 with my dental, because it's crazy. And honestly, this kit cost me $8.80 or something at CVS. I did have to drive around a long ways to get it. It's not a common one that's stocked. So we had to drive around a ways, and this is a major city. So if you're going to get it, you might want to order it on Amazon. But that's the kit right there. And it says let it sit. Make sure it's mixed good. I've mixed a lot of things in my life, so I can tell you that. Oh yeah. Sit 30 seconds. Now, make this easy. I'm going to put it in a corner here. That is interesting. I was assuming that it would pour, but it most certainly does not pour. Okay. on the front. And I am Alright, that's kind of what's left. I don't think I got quite all of it, but we did okay on it. And we'll have to see how it turns out. We'll pause it and then we'll see what it feels like and looks like when I pull it in about 5 minutes. And all done. Feels good, nice and snug. And mouth feels a little fuller. And it doesn't feel like anything's coming loose. So there's some things I'd do different. I'd sure pour a little faster. I mean, that stuff sets up insanely fast, right? I mean, it was setting as I was grabbing it in a hurry. So I had to do it again. Maybe I freeze it a little longer. I'm not sure. But hey, at least it's an easy option, and we can redo it. And you get 2 relines for $8. Beats $200 on a copay or $500 at the dentist.